Hi friends, in our school days, we all know very well that we read already that negative into negative number will give a positive answer. Negative multiplied by a negative number will give positive answer. I am sure that most of us would have got a doubt. Why? Why negative into negative will give a positive answer? So let's have a look into this. Why negative into negative will give a positive answer? We need to have 4 prerequisites to prove negative into negative will give a positive answer. What are the 4 prerequisites? The prerequisites, first prerequisite, any number into 0 will give 0, right? Any number, negative number or positive number, any number into 0, 4 into 0 will give 0, minus 4 into 0 also will give 0. So this is prerequisite number 1. Any number into 0 will give 0 as answer. What is second prerequisite? Second prerequisite is very simple. Positive into positive will obviously give a positive answer. Positive into positive will give a positive answer. 5 into 3 will give 15. Similarly, 4 into 3 will give 12. Positive into positive number will give a positive number, right? So this is prerequisite number 2. Third prerequisite is distributive law. You need to have a little idea, but I'll tell you, most of you know, but I'll tell you what is distributive law. Distributive law. Now my dear friends, A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. So this is distributive law. Let us prove it. I hope you all know, but just for the sake of knowledge, we will prove it once. 3 into 4 plus 5 is equal to 3 into 4 plus 3 into 5, right? Okay. Now 3 into 9 will give 27. Similarly, 12 plus 15, that also will give 27. So distributive law is also satisfied. What is distributive law? The third prerequisite, A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. So first prerequisite is any number into 0 will give you 0. The second prerequisite is positive number into positive number will again give a positive number. The third prerequisite is distributive law, A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. That is the third prerequisite. Now let us go into the fourth prerequisite, that is very, very important. Friends, interestingly, the fourth prerequisite is before proving what is negative into negative number, we should prove what is positive into negative. Negative into positive will give a negative number. First we need to prove this. Then only we can go and prove what is negative into negative. Then how we got negative into negative is a positive number. First we need to prove that negative into positive number will again give a negative number. This is very simple. Let us go something like this. 4 into 0. This is the proof. Let us suppose 4 into 0 will obviously give 0, right? Because any number into 0 is equal to 0. Already we know. So I can write 0 as 4 into minus 3 plus 3. Yes, minus 3 plus 3 is nothing but 0. I am writing like this. So using the distributive law that we already discussed, 4 into minus 3 plus 4 into 3 is also equal to 0. I am using the distributive law. Now my dear friends, clearly if I see 4 into minus 3 plus 12 is equal to 0. Now 4 into minus 3 is equal to this, 12 goes this side is equal to minus 12. Right? See, clearly we can see this is a positive number and this is a negative number, and again we get a negative number, right? So positive into negative is equal to negative number. This is the fourth prerequisite. This is the fourth prerequisite that we are going to prove. That means a small proof is necessary to prove that negative into negative is equal to positive number. What is it? First we need to prove negative into positive is equal to negative number. That also we proved. What are the 4 prerequisites? Any number into 0 is equal to 0. So second one is positive into positive is equal to positive number. Third one is distributive law, A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Now fourth one is, first we need to prove negative into positive number is equal to negative number. Now I am going to prove the final one, coming to the point, how negative into negative becomes a positive number. So okay, the main concept. My dear friends, I am writing minus 4, I am taking a negative number, into 0 is equal to 0. We know already because any number into 0 is equal to 0, right? So main concept, this is the main concept that we are going to deal with. So minus 4 into 0 is equal to 0. So I am writing minus 4 into minus 3 plus 3. I am writing 0 as minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Yes, that is correct. Now coming to the distributive law. So I can write this as minus 4 into minus 3 plus minus 4 into 3 is equal to 0. Yes, my dear friends, if I write this like this, minus 4 into minus 3 plus of minus 12, because negative into positive number is equal to negative number. We just now proved this, taking this, okay, so is equal to 0. So now I can write this as minus 4 into minus 3 minus 12 is equal to 0, because plus into minus is equal to minus. Again, now my dear friends, minus 4 into minus 3, this 12 goes that side and makes it plus 12. So this is negative number and this is also negative number, but we got a positive number here. Clearly we can see a negative number into negative number is giving a positive number as an answer, right? So clearly we proved, hence proved. So negative into negative will give a positive number.